Hello my dear students. ACE Engineering Academy for the last 25 years is in the service of engineering students in offering guidance to GATE, ESC, public sector undertakings, etc. etc. We are already having one YouTube channel for ACE Engineering Academy. Now we are launching separate YouTube channels for different streams of engineering and technology, that is civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, computer science, whatnot, all branches of engineering. We want to launch separate YouTube channels. Why, sir? See, my experience or our experience before Corona and after Corona are little bit different. For a particular domain students, sometimes we want to analyze or guide some concepts. We want to give some extra knowledge to the students on live. Sometimes we want to give some recorded sessions also. On what, sir? Important concepts like some trending topics. So what are these trending topics? See, in most of the interviews nowadays, questions are being asked on trending topics. So I want to have a discussion on some YouTube channel. So if these channels are dedicated for a particular stream, definitely I can do more justice. And of course, I want to take a subject, some beautiful concept in a particular subject, say mechanical engineering. I want to take a topic related to robotics. If I post this video in all other channels, generally it becomes a headache for the students. Same is the logic. We want to discuss on competitive coding for computer science students. So we want to post such videos related to these programs in computer science YouTube channel. So likewise, for every domain, every branch of engineering, if we have separate YouTube channels, it will be better for the students. This is the intention with which we are starting. So we advise you to subscribe to the channels. So what we are going to give in these channels, I will explain little bit in detail now. Now let us see in detail what we are going to give in these channels. The first is strengthening the knowledge and concepts. As I mentioned, there are typical topics or concepts which need to be discussed through this channel, useful to every student in India. How you do it? It may be either through live sessions or recorded sessions. So after these live sessions and recorded sessions, we will conduct quiz programs so that you can gauge yourself whether you have understood those concepts or not. Of course, there may be interaction with the students also in live. So this is the first area. The second area is various competitive exams. You have GATE, engineering services, various state service commissions, SSC, JEE, whatnot, several competitive exams which are offering job opportunities and also higher education. We want to discuss the structure of these competitive exams. So what is GATE? What are the opportunities? What is engineering services? What is its structure? Similarly, various exams are there. We want to discuss these things through these channels. You may say, sir, I know everything, sir. Beta, you may be knowing. So these channels are in fact focused not only to the students who are already aware of these things, even a BTech first year students. So the problem in various institutions is student is realizing what is life after BTech only in the final year. By that time it is already late. So these channels will address the various issues of students pursuing their engineering right from BTech first year in their BTech campus itself, bringing awareness with the students about the job notifications and various opportunities. So we are planning to have a detailed discussion about various job opportunities. So after these job opportunities are known to you, the preparation strategies, how to write the exams, how to prepare. The second thing is, after written test is over, you may have interviews. So the interview guidance techniques, the interaction with the toppers, means the successful friends, successful brothers and sisters in those companies or premier institutions. So you'll have interaction with the toppers. Above all, seeing is the believing, generally people will say. Suppose your goal is to join IISc Bangalore, let us assume. So if we have a short video about the life in IISc Bangalore, or similarly life in various institutions, IITs, etc., definitely it will motivate us. And suppose you want to join a company, a BHEL. So what is inside BHEL? Means what will be the life in the BHEL? What will be the career opportunities? What you are going to learn in your life? So you will have videos related to premier institutions, your dream companies, etc. So that once a job notification comes, you will get motivated to work sincerely and seriously. The third aspect is entrepreneurship. So our beloved PM says, make in India. So entrepreneur development is going to be one of the primary aspect of these YouTube channels. How do you do it? So we will have interaction or guidance with the various entrepreneurs, upcoming entrepreneurs with the really motivating startups. We have several students from ACE Engineering Academy who have pursued their education in various premier institutions and have their own startups. So apart from our students, there may be some more youngsters who are doing wonders. So we will have them on our platform to guide you so that you too can become an entrepreneur. In this, we can discuss the practical aspects of engineering. So what are the upcoming areas where you can focus? You know, very simple example, Elon Musk, the richest person in the world now, how he could become, he could visualize long back that these electrical vehicles may become the order of the day, if not today, tomorrow. So because of that brilliant idea, only brilliant idea, the valuation of Elon Musk has shooted up so that he has become the richest persons. So let us have discussion on various ideas. So they may be your ideas, you float some idea, we'll have a discussion, bringing some experts to our platform so that it will really strengthen your aspiration to become an entrepreneur. So entrepreneur scheme, entrepreneur development workshops with the guidance of various successful persons, practical aspects of engineering, and also discussion on trending topics. The fourth aspect is with respect to the motivation. What is this motivation, sir? Is it external motivation or internal motivation? I strongly believe on internal motivation. External motivation is purely temporary and short-living. So through our programs, we try to ignite the internal motivation which is permanent. So our programs will try to develop internal motivation so that you can become successful. You may be a gold medalist, you may be an average student, or you may be the so-called below average student. You may be rich, or you may be middle class, or you may be poor. You may be from an urban area, or you may be from rural area. Forget about all these things. Once our mind is ignited, if your inner fire is ready to take any challenge, you are going to win surely, because 97% of the successful people in the world have come from down to earth nature. They are not richest persons originally. They have come from bottom to the top today. So our focus will be on developing the internal motivation, not the external motivation. So, my dear student, we are going to plan these channels so that it will become a smart source. It will become a smart source to have a bright change, greater change in the students' community. So, in order to avoid all these things, please subscribe to our YouTube channels. All the best.